Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there's quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJE1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I have covered the topic called getting the right attitude towards money. So this was the video which I covered on the last topic. And friends, in our today's topic, I'm going to cover the concept called how the scientific thinker looks at money. This topic, friends. Okay. So friend, this is 112 number video and the name of the topic is how the scientific thinker look at the money. So let us see friends what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Suppose for example you found gold, silver, lead, copper or iron in the ground. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling suppose for the example we found gold, silver, lead, copper or iron in the ground, friends. Okay. Would you pronounce these things evil? So here author Joseph Murphy is asking suppose for a while we found gold, silver, lead, copper, this kind of material on the floor, lying on the ground, even iron. So will we ever say that this thing is evil? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. He is asking a question basically. So let us see what comes further. All evil comes from man darkened understanding, from his ignorance, from his false interpretation of his life. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling that all the evil comes from the understanding and the ignorance of the man, and also the false interpretation of the life. So, when we start interpreting our life in a false way, at that time, point of time, evil things comes into picture, friends. Okay. So, this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, and from his misuse of his subconscious mind. So also from the misuse of the subconscious mind also evils come into picture, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, uranium, lead or some other metal could have been used as a medium of exchange. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling even uranium, um, lead and the some other metal can also be used as a medium of exchange, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, we use paper bills, checks, nickel, and silver surely. These are not evil. So, yeah, author Joseph Murphy is telling we mostly use bills, check, nickel, and also the silver, but these things are surely not evil, friends. Okay. So, this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Physicist and chemist Physicists and chemists know today that the only difference between one metal and another is the number and rate of motion of electron revolving around the central nucleus. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling the physicians and the chemist knows the only difference between the metal is the motion of the electrons and the central of the nucleus that is evolving around it, friends. Okay. So, this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. They can now change one metal into another through a bombardment of the atom in the powerful Clytoron. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling them the scientists can change one metal into another metal in the form of bombardment and in the form of Clytoron, friends. Okay. So, this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Gold under certain condition become mercury. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling gold under certain condition become mercury, friends. Okay. I believe that our modern scientists in the near future will be able to make gold. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that he believes that even the modern scientists in the future will be in a position to make gold, friends. Okay. Silver and other metal synthetically. So gold metal and also silver in other metal in synthetically, friends. Okay. in the chemical laboratory. So this kind of gold, silver and other metal is going to be made on the laboratory, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The cost may be prohibitive now, but it can be done. So your author Joseph Murphy is saying the cost may be prohibitive, but it can be done, friends. Okay, I cannot imagine any intellect person seeing anything evil in electrons, neutron, proton, and uh, isotopes. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that he doesn't imagine any thing seeing evil in electron, neutron, proton, and also isotopes, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The piece of paper in your pocket is composed of atom and molecules with the electron proton arranged differently. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the piece of paper in our pocket is composed with the atoms and the molecules with their electron and the proton which is arranged differently, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Their numbers and rate of motion are different. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling their numbers and the rate of the motion are also different. That is the only way the paper differ from the silver in your pocket. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that is only the way where the paper differ from the silver in our pocket, friends. Okay. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I have covered the concept called how the scientific thinker look at the moments. This topic I've covered. And friends, in our next video I'm going to cover this topic, and the name of this topic is how to attract the money you need. This topic, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.